1. Which of the following is required for a valid contract? A. Written document only. B. Offer, acceptance, and consideration. C. Notarization. D. Verbal agreement with witnesses. 2. The exclusionary rule in criminal procedure prevents A. Illegal search and seizure evidence from being used in court. B. The accused from testifying. C. The judge from hearing evidence. D. Jury deliberations from being disclosed. 3. What is the standard of proof in a criminal trial? A. Preponderance of the evidence. B. Clear and convincing evidence. C. Beyond a reasonable doubt. D. Probable cause. 4. Which amendment protects against self-incrimination? A. First. B. Fourth. C. Fifth. D. Sixth. 5. What type of tort involves intentional infliction of harm? A. Negligence. B. Strict liability. C. Intentional tort. D. Contract breach. 6. Which of the following is an example of strict liability? A. Car accident caused by negligence. B. Liability for keeping wild animals. C. Breach of contract. D. Intentional assault. 7. Which court has original jurisdiction over federal criminal cases? A. Supreme Court. B. District Court. C. Court of Appeals. D. State Supreme Court. 8. What does stare decisis mean? A. Court orders. B. Legal precedent must be followed. C. Jury instructions. D. Appeal process. 9. Which of the following is not an element of negligence? A. Duty. B. Breach. C. Intent. D. Causation. 10. What is consideration in contract law? A. Thoughtfulness. B. Something of value exchanged between parties. C. Contract length. D. Legal representation. 11. Under the Miranda rule, when must law enforcement provide warnings? A. Before questioning a suspect in custody. B. During arrest only. C. After conviction. D. Only if the suspect requests. 12. What is the primary purpose of voir dire? A. Present evidence. B. Select an impartial jury. C. Deliver opening statements. D. Cross-examine witnesses. 13. Which type of evidence is based on a witness's personal knowledge? A. Hearsay. B. Direct evidence. C. Circumstantial evidence. D. Expert testimony. 14. What is the statute of limitations? A. Time within which a lawsuit must be filed. B. Maximum prison sentence. C. Length of a contract. D. Time for jury deliberation. 15. Which constitutional amendment guarantees the right to a speedy trial? A. 4th. B. 6th. C. 8th. D. 10th. 16. In contract law, what is a void contract? A. A contract that is legally enforceable. B. A contract that is invalid from the beginning. C. A contract missing a signature. D. A contract that was breached. 17. What is the difference between assault and battery? A. Assault is physical contact, battery is threat. B. Assault is threat or attempt, battery is actual physical contact. C. Both mean the same. D. Assault is a crime, battery is a tort only. 18. The Commerce Clause grants Congress the power to A. Regulate interstate commerce. B. Tax individuals. C. Declare war. D. Appoint judges. 19. Which party has the burden of proof in a civil lawsuit? A. Defendant. B. Plaintiff. C. Judge. D. Jury. 20. What is habeas corpus? A. A trial motion. B. A writ to bring a prisoner before the court to determine legality of detention. C. A type of evidence. D. Jury verdict form. 21. What does double jeopardy protect against? A. Being tried twice for the same offense. B. Being arrested twice. C. Excessive bail. D. Self-incrimination. 22. What is the primary function of appellate courts? A. Conduct trials. B. Review lower court decisions. C. Issue subpoenas. D. Enforce judgments. 23. In tort law, proximate cause means A. The closest cause in time. B. Legal cause sufficiently related to the injury. C. Cause by intention. D. Financial cause. 24. Which of the following is an example of consideration? A. A promise to give a gift. B. Payment of money for services rendered. C. Verbal agreement without exchange. D. Non-disclosure agreement. 25. What is the purpose of judicial review? A. To review jury decisions. B. To ensure laws comply with the Constitution. C. To conduct new trials. D. To enforce criminal sentences. Bar examination. The bar examination is a comprehensive professional test that law graduates must pass to become licensed attorneys authorized to practice law. It evaluates a candidate's knowledge of general legal principles, state-specific laws, and practical skills necessary for effective legal practice. The exam typically includes multiple-choice questions, essay writing, and performance tests that simulate real-world legal tasks such as drafting documents or analyzing case facts. Bar exams vary by jurisdiction but generally cover areas like constitutional law, contracts, criminal law, torts, and procedure. Passing the bar examination demonstrates a candidate's competency and readiness to uphold legal standards and serve clients professionally. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the bar examination. 1. Legal qualification. Passing the bar exam is essential for law graduates to become licensed attorneys authorized to practice law in their jurisdiction. 2. Career advancement. Successfully passing the exam opens doors to a wide range of legal careers, including private practice, public service, and corporate counsel roles. 3. Knowledge validation. The bar exam tests comprehensive understanding of law and ethical responsibilities, ensuring readiness for legal practice. 4. Professional credibility. Passing the exam enhances an attorney's reputation, building trust with clients, peers, and the judiciary. 5. Mobility and licensing. Passing the bar in one jurisdiction may facilitate admission to practice in others through reciprocity or additional testing.